Dear children, we have the topic today, operations on larger numbers. Let's move to example 7. Three different tanks contain 54,937 litre, 49,328 litre and 1,07,244 litre of water. What is the total quantity of water in the three tanks? So, this problem, what you need to do? If you want to find the total quantity of water, the solution is you should do the addition of the numbers. So, let's write the solution. The solution 1, water in one tank. So, it is 54,937 litre. Next, water in another tank, 49,428 litre. Water in third tank, 1,07,244 litre. Next, children, you should draw a table, a solution box, where you enter all these numbers in that box and add them. So, I have written the larger number above, like 1,07,244. Next, I have written 54,937. Next, I have written 49,428. I have written this because it will be easy for addition of the numbers. So, next, what is the answer we get? You should write therefore, water in all the three tanks equals to 2,11,509 litre. So, we have found the total quantity of water in the three tanks by addition. Example 8. The weight of one bag of wheat is 98 kg 450 grams and the weight of another bag of wheat is 106 kg 928 grams. What is the total weight of both the bags? Here we have the solution. Weight of one bag of wheat. So what is the weight of one bag of wheat? It is 98 kg 450 grams. So next, weight of another bag of wheat. 106 kg 928 grams. So draw a solution box and write 106 kg and grams 928 grams separately. And next 98 kg in the kg column and 450 grams in the grams column. Then add them separately. So we have 1,378 grams and this side we have 204 kg. Therefore, total weight of both the bags equal to, enter the total amount here, 204 kg 1,378 grams. Since 1,378 grams, so how we get 1 kg and 378 grams? 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. When you split 1,378, we can write 1000 plus 378. So 1000 is 1 kg, okay, and 378 is grams. So we have 1 kg 378 grams. Therefore, total weight of both bags. So we have the total weight 205 kg 378 grams. So add 1 kg to 204 kg. That becomes 205 kg. Okay, to the final answer we have 205 kg 378 grams. So I think you followed the example 8. In a departmental store, the sale during a particular week was rupees 3,85,476 and the sale during the following week was rupees 4,07,000 235. So we need to find what was the total sale during these 2 weeks. Let's write the solution. Sale during 1 week equals to rupees 3,85,004. Next, right children, sale during next week, that is 4,07,235. Draw a solution box and enter the digits 3,85,476 and next 4,07,235. So you need to total them. You get 7,92,711. So the total sale, what is the total sale? 7,92,711. Next, B, since rupees 4,07,235 is greater than 3,85,476, so sale during second week was greater. So we see that sale during second week was greater. Why we can say it? Because when you minus 4,07,235 with 3,85,476, we have 21,759. Yes, we get the difference, that is 21,759. So you can say clearly that the sale during the second week was greater and the sale during the first week was, yes, it was smaller. So here we can say the sale during second week was greater by 21,759. Example 10, solve on your own. If A equals to 48,497, B equals to 7,328 and C equals to 1,33,224, find A plus B. So A plus B, you need to enter the values of A and B and you need to add it. So value of A is given 48,497 plus value of B is 7,328. So when you add them, you get the answer 55,825. Draw a table, solution box and write the values of A and B and find the answer. You will get 55,825 as your answer. So enter these values in the solution box. Next we have C minus A. What is the value of C? 1,33,224. Minus it with A. Value of A is given 48,497. So when you minus, what is the answer you get? 84,727. In the same way, draw a solution box, write these values in that box and find the difference. And your answer should be 84,727. So next we have B plus C. Value of B is 7,328. Add it with C, 1,33,224. What is your answer? 1,40,552 is your answer. Solution box is given. Write the values. Write 1,33,224 above and 7,328 below. so that it will be easy to add the numbers. 11. Cost of one article is 57,390. What will be the cost of 275 such articles? So, one article is purchased from the shop and the cost is said 57,390. If the man purchases 275 same articles, what will be the total cost? So here we have the cost of one article 57,390. Therefore, cost of 275 such articles. So we know the price of one article, that is 57,390. If we purchases 275 such articles, how much you need to pay? So you should multiply 275 with 57,390 and your answer will get 1,57,82,250. This is your answer. 15. The last example. Let us read the question. The sale receipt of a company during a certain year was rupees 8,73,540. In the following year, it was decreased by rupees 84,470. What was the sale receipt of the company during second year? So, in a certain year, the company's receipt was sale receipt was rupees 8,73,540. So it decreased rupees 84,470. Now what we need to find? The sale receipt of the company during the second year. So let us write the solution. The sale receipt of the company during the second year was. So what we need to do here? We need to minus the amount rupees 8,73,540 with the decreased amount rupees 84,470. So when you minus it, subtract it, you will get 7,88,870. So that is your final answer, rupees 7,88,870. So we found the answer. The sale receipt of the company during second year was 7,88,870. Thank you.